How to replace an LED recessed downlight. Replacing downlights are a super quick and simple process for homes that use standard plug-in style fittings found in most Australian homes. To start, switch off the power at the wall or circuit breaker. Then place your fingers on the trim of the existing downlight, pull the light down slowly, and squeeze the spring clip so it slides free without snapping back on your fingers. Once the downlight is free, slowly pull down the cable until you see the ceiling socket and unplug the old downlight from that socket. Now get your new downlight ready. If it has a tricolour setting, then set your preferred colour using the CCT switch and remove the plastic tie around the cable. Once prepared, plug the new downlight into the ceiling socket, tuck the cable and socket neatly into the ceiling cavity, and fold the spring clips upward to guide the downlight into place until it sits flush with the ceiling. And that's it! Switch the power back on and enjoy your brand new LED recessed downlight. For downlights and more electrical products, shop online now at Sparky Direct. Delivered fast, straight to your door.